All right, everybody. I just want to know if the volume is good. Right, volume's good. We all happy with the volume? Volume is great. Perfect. Awesome. I just gotta do some settings here for the YouTube chat. All right, let's see here. Watching from Manila. Welcome, welcome. Welcome from Manila. So I got a buy running here on gold, and I do believe we can continue to push up. I'm waiting for the 30-minute candle to close here first as well, so that I can add more positions. I think adding more positions is going to be much better. All right, YouTube chat is also here now. Very nice, very nice. So what's this? Open chart, advanced protection, create new order. Okay. When you open the live stream, mic volume or market volume? Yeah, I think volume's good. If I can get it up to maybe 2039, I think that's going to be good. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, we are coming up to the point where this candle is about to close above the resistance right here, which is where price is coming up. So I think this is going to be a very good indication. I mean, if we can close above 2038, I think there's a very good probability we can continue to push up. And also we got clean range here to the left hand side, right? Can you share your entry on the 15-minute time frame? Sure. This is the entry on the 15-minute time frame. I got a little bit late. I wanted to enter the position as we were breaking above the high of this previous candle, but yeah, I got late. So now we are in this predicament. I'm trying to see what's this? Advanced. Oh wow, look, okay. So we can set different take profits. So first take profit is going to be at 10 pips. That's going to be for 2 lots. Second take profit would be at 20 pips. That's going to be at 0.5 lots, right? Okay, so first take profit. I think I want to adjust this here a little bit. Yeah, right here. Right, so first take profit is at about 10 pips, which is about to get hit. And the second take profit, we're going to leave it running till 2040. So this is what you can do in C-Trader. And you can see right here, 2 lots are going to be closed. And then what's going to be left is going to be a 50-cent lot. And once that gets hit, I'm going to move my stop loss below this candle right here. So this is great. We still got about 6 minutes left for the candle to close. All right. Candle is still open. $200. 200 good dollars here coming up right now. Look at that. We're coming up. We're going to hit it. This is something you can only do on C-Trader, by the way. See this here to the left-hand side? You see this? Bid in the ask price is going to cross over. And the TP at 10 pips is going to get hit. Boom. See that? Got hit. Now what we have running is a 50-cent lot running. And I'm going to move my stop loss and I'm going to bring it below this candle here. And you can see here to the left-hand side, if now price does hit stop loss, this position is going to close at about $52 loss. No, yeah, $52 loss. Love from South Africa. What's happening to pound yen? Let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen is in its own world at this point. I mean, look at the way it's consolidating, right? Look at the way it's moving, consolidating. Nothing really, substantiated happening. Yeah, we're just in this dirty range. it's just this range is not good to look at all. Very dirty range, but we're going to keep on focusing on gold over here, right? So multiple take profits. That's what we did. Multiple take profits is something you can use on C-Trader. I mean, I'm using this platform now. Also, what we're going to do is, I don't think many people know. Well, we're going to let more people join in, and then I'm going to do a announcement that we're doing this Saturday for everyone. But as we can see, there's clean range to the left-hand side. The candle is about to close in 4 minutes. MagicKeys is now useless. No, MagicKeys, it still works with C-Trader. It still works with C-Trader. What I'm trying to see is like, why is okay. My speaker volume was down. I was just thinking, why isn't the volume and stuff working? Okay, all right. Let's see here. Serious question. What would you advise? I can't find 30-minute entry, always trying, but the move had gone. Anything else that can be done? Then look at the 15-minute and really ask yourself the question, how could you have taken the entry on the smaller time frame, right? Because now that I'm looking at this position now, which is running, I'm looking at this and I'm thinking that, okay, I'm in profit for about, what's this, 8-9 pip profit. Now, if price comes back to my entry point, I'm going to close 50%. Why doesn't Dominion Market allow US clients anymore? It's just regulations. Just regulations, and which is the main reason why MT5 is now no longer going to be with Dominion Markets, because of the US clients, basically. I stand right now outside your home in Dubai. Okay. Shazad Ahmed Saab. I think while you're at it, maybe you can start to clean the car too. I took buys on this bearish 30-minute candle, which broke highs. I took loss with risk management. What did I do wrong? You took buys when this... Okay, so someone took buys when this candle broke the high of the previous candle. When you say this 30-minute bearish candle, yeah, no. Because we've already moved up from here. Right? We already moved up 45 pips. So you were thinking maybe this candle would continue to move up? No. You needed some retracement. I wanted to take a buy as well, but I waited for a retracement. Retracement happened. Oh, what was this? 30-minute right here. Yeah, exactly. So retracement happened on the small time frame, and then that's where I took my entry. Why wouldn't you hold the trend to the next resistance? I'm not. I'm probably going to hold a small position. I'm not going to hold the full position, because that's the way how I trade at this point. I got an email from Dominion Markets about MT5 is no longer available. Yes, that's correct. All clients are going to be moved over to C-Trader. I blew my 50K savings over a year trading. How do I deal with over trading and greed? See, the thing is, if you lost money, then you're done, right? You can't chase lost money. Like, once it's lost, and if you keep on chasing it, you keep on thinking about it, then you're going to be like, then you're going to go into that cycle of trying to make that money back. And when you try to make that money back after having a loss, you're not going to do anything but compound losses, right? Compound losses. So you'll have to be very, very careful. Very careful about that. Greed, there's no option for greed. When it comes towards over trading, you really got to make sure that you're focused on 1 or 2 trades a day. Like, this is going to be my 1 trade for the day. No, I didn't wait for the 15-minute candle to close when I took the position. I took the position, let's see here. Yeah, so this was it, right? Yeah, I took the position when the candle was breaking the high of the previous candle. Just as I was starting the live stream, that's when I took the position. And we can see now the second take profit is going to get hit right here. And the way I did this on C-Trader was I right-click my main position, set advanced protection, and that's how we did it. Yeah, from here. So you can have like multiple take profits. So see, the first one was at 11 pips, 2 lots closed. Second one, also from here, I think I want to close maybe 0.4 lots and leave the rest running. Nice to see you. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum salam. Really nice to see you too. I wanted to take a short after that 15-minute candle. Guys, just send a chart. Send a chart. Like, you know what you're saying? You're saying, hey, Raja, after that candle closed, bro, I don't know what you're looking at. I have no idea what candle you're looking at. So if you say that candle, I have no idea. So you need to send a chart. Do some giveaway to these Gharib Pakistan. C-Trade is not working. I tried to reset my password and they send me an email, but there's no link to reset the password. Watch the video. First, you need to create the account on C-Trader. Like once you move your funds, actually, man, there's a full video we uploaded. First, you need to create the C-Trader account. I'm gonna post a link to the video here. Where is it? Oh yeah, this one right here. Share, copy link. I'm gonna paste this link in the chat. There you go. There you go, buddy. Paste that link right there. Yes, you can use MagicKeys. Is C-Trader free? C-Trader is absolutely free. It even comes with a built-in simulator as well. You know, if you guys use C-Trader and you want to use a simulator, it comes with that. If you guys want to stay with the MT5, you want to use the MT5 simulator, we got that as well. News are coming. What happened in Pakistan? I have no idea what happened in Pakistan. Pakistan news. Let's take a look at this over here. Oh, wow. Yeah, they jailed Imran Khan. The wife got sentenced to 14 years. Imran Khan got sentenced to 10 years. Man, it's just propaganda. It's like too much to talk about there. Too much to talk and discuss. But yeah. Why isn't MetaTrader available for Dominion markets? Well, the reason why is because MetaTrader accused us of soliciting US clients after we sent them away. And they don't want to do any contest. They don't want to do any negotiation. They just flat out said, well, guys, you have 12 days to let your clients know to close all trades. That's where we're at with MetaTrader. And to be honest, a lot of brokers have been dropped by MetaTraders because of the same issue. And I can guarantee you this, that MetaTrader platform, they're not innovating. They're not getting newer. It's the same platform, the same for years. And the way they're treating their clients, the brokerages, the way then all that mess is passed on to the clients of the brokers, respectively. It's just going to be, man. In the last 6 months, MetaCoach has dropped over 35 brokers, and every broker is paying like between 10 to 20K per month to them. So they lost a big chunk of revenue. But anyway, let's take a look at this chart over here. This is the chart. All right, let's take a look at this chart over here. Okay, so 15-minute candle broke up over here. Okay, no problem. Entered short right here. But what was the 30-minute candle doing? The 30-minute candle at that point was closing bearish. Yeah, so you should have waited for a 30-minute confirmation. Create a trading institute in Pakistan? No thanks. Make one simulation video a week? Yes. So now Dominion Markets can take US clients who trade in C-Trader? No. C-Trader does not allow US clients, unfortunately. Will I be able to transfer my funds to Dominion Markets from TrueBlue? Yeah, sure. Sure you can. Provide sponsored job? No, we don't have a sponsored job. My dream is to meet you. You are meeting me right now. Muhammad Dawood. Muhammad Dawood, you are meeting me right now, buddy. Look at that. Yeah. Should we wait for a retest before executing buys? I think taking buys now, you're a little bit too late. You're a little bit too late. Whenever you look at price has already moved a certain amount of pips, just look at that and ask yourself that, okay, if price has moved a certain amount of pips, can I take a buy now, anticipating it to continue pushing up? You know, or what you can say is that, okay, where can I execute, or where could I have executed to get the main move? Do you have swap fees? Swap fees are on ECN accounts, but yeah, the fees are right here. Swap long, swap short. So for shorts you get positive, for longs you get negative, but it all depends on the interest rates as well. But at the same time, what's this? Is offering 1 to 500 or only 100? Yeah, so there's 1 to 500 on currencies, Forex currencies, but there's 100 to 1 on metals and indices. And man, trust me, 500 to 1 leverage, you don't need 500 to 1 leverage. You don't need it. Um, like there are a lot of traders who lose money trying to trade high leverage, right? Okay, look at that. Now we're coming up now again to ATP2. ATP2 at 20 pips, right? At 20 pips. Is your platform good for long-term trading? Absolutely. From the US, yeah, then you can't use CTrader. That's the thing. What's this? I just took and closed an EA trade. Well, Isaac, trust me, by next week, you'll have to do full KYC. And then if you're from the US, then there's going to be a problem. There's going to be a problem coming. Raja Bhai, gold may boom ka bhai. When is there going to be a boom in gold? Well, you're seeing it right now. We got clean traffic to the left-hand side. We're coming up towards TP2. You know, look at that. Look at that price moving there. Look at that move. Almost there. Almost there. What are you looking for, Raja? I'm already in gold buys. When is a good time to take a buy on pound yen? I would say a good time to take a buy on pound yen would be anywhere above 187,520. 187,520 would be a good idea to take a buy, because this whole area is a no trade range here. It's no trade range. Can't trade because price is ranging. Okay. Bro, you know Urdu? हाँ जी, पूरी उर्दू आती है मुझे. गंदी वाली भी अच्छी वाली. Which car of yours is favorite? I like the Range Rover. I like the Escalade when the whole family goes on a trip. I like the Ferrari if I'm out with the boys on the weekend. You know, I like the wife's SVR when I go to the gym. You know, so every car has a utility. You know, can anyone explain why US doesn't allow us to trade like the rest of the world? Yeah, because they want to control the amount of money you make. That's why. And then they want to tax you on that. I took sales yesterday on US News. Very, very well done. I think we also have NFP, right? Take a look over here. Yeah, we got NFP. Ooh. We have FOMC. We have FOMC today. Interesting. Interesting. Should we? I think I'll do a Instagram live stream, FOMC. You know? Instagram live stream. It's going to be very interesting. And then we got NFP on Friday. Friday, we're going to do a stream as well for NFP. But yeah, this Saturday, there's going to be a simulation session. This simulation session will be on CTrader because CTrader has its own simulator. And this simulation session will only going to be for clients that are already on CTrader at this point. So that's one thing that we're doing. It's free. It's a free simulation session. All you need to do is you got to be a client at Dominion, C Trader, whatever, and then it's going to make sense to you, because we want to get in the habit of using this now. Oh, look at that. We're coming up. 92, TP2 is about to hit, and boom. TP2 has been hit. And now I'm going to bring my stop loss to break even, and I'm going to let the rest run. All right. Right? Awesome. I had problems changing the time frame on C Trader Simulator. No, it's very easy. It's not that hard. But by the way, yeah, right? This was actually a very, very good move. This was a very, very, very good move. This is going to be a very, very good education content that's going to be made on this move that we had. Any opportunities on buy on gold? Go Too late. All right. Trouble having. Okay, let's take a look at this right here, right? All right. You had trouble changing time frames. Let's start the simulator right here. Okay, so this is the simulator started. You can change the time frames, man. Just slow down the speed right here. And from here, interesting. You are correct. Okay. Play. Okay. So if you want to change the time frame, what you want to do is you have to pause it, or need to stop it basically, and then change time frames. Let's say we do 30 minutes. Interesting. Okay, this is a 15-minute. Let's stop, go to 30-minute. Right here, 27.517, and play it. Oh yeah, so you have to stop it, and then you have to change the time frames, I guess. No problem. No problem. No problem. In a high volume session, when a candle closes above a range, do we enter at the break of the previous high, or we should wait for support? It depends, right? It depends. So let's say, for example, yeah, the simulator is free on Cedar. So let's say, for example, we were in this high volume session right here, right? We were in a high volume session, and a candle is this candle closed above this resistance, you see, right? So candle closed above resistance. Now you got to break it down on the 15-minute time frame, and you have to identify that, okay, if we're closing above the range, how can I enter the market? So you need some sort of retracement happening, maybe on the 15-minute time frame, and that's what I looked at. We had retracement. Candle went up. As this candle broke above the high of the previous candle, I took an entry. Price went up, secured positions, and then basically let the rest run. So let me close this a little bit here. Let's do 0.05. All right, awesome. All right, now we're just going to let this run. Based on your own personal opinion, which interview of yours did you actually enjoy? I don't know. What happens with the MT5 simulator? You can still use it. Request for video on how to incorporate MagicKeys into C Trader. A link explanation is given. Okay, we'll do that. I gotta go. Got 12 pips today. Very, very well done, Saad. Very, very well done. I want to use Dominion markets, but my funds have been held in True Bloom and asking if they're really my friend. I have no idea. You got to contact them. Man, WTF are you saying? English. English. Do you speak it? Do you speak English? English. All right. Okay. So, yeah. We're good. Let's take a look at pound yen over here. Still consolidating. Let's take a look at my email, see if I have any bad news. All right. So my IB client want to deposit through local Bank of Pakistan. That option is not available. No, not at this point. It's going to be up soon. Do you wake up thinking you've had enough to live, or you always wake up having higher goals? Man, Jairo, what are these questions? What are these questions you're asking me? I wake up and now my motivation is to get better at jujitsu. That's my motivation now. So that's why I wake up now. Have you used advanced TP and break even feature in C-Trade? They're really awesome. Yes, that's actually what I used for this trade. I used the advanced protection things here for this. Let's see here. Why is it not a good idea to take impulse entries 1 hour ago? 1 hour ago. It would have been a nice idea. Right? It would have been a nice idea, but I wanted extra confirmations because this area right here. I wanted extra confirmations for price to come up above 2038 so that we can have a big range for price to move up. That's what I wanted. Yeah. First removing US clients and then removing MT5, how much it impact Dominion markets? Nothing. It didn't impact us at all. We're still very solid. We are very liquid. We are fully licensed. The only thing is that MetaCoach, they're acting as gangsters. Like I have a lot of friends in the brokerage industry and they're having the same issues. They're having exactly the same issues. Like over small things, MetaCoach is just saying, "Okay, guys, you can't work with us anymore." And so I guess that's what happens to big companies, right? They get so big that arrogance comes in, and that's how a slow downfall starts. So what can you do? We keep on moving. Are you in Pakistan? No. Number one rule to be successful in trading: 1 to 2 trades a day. That's it. 1 or 2 trades a day, and that's going to be the number one rule. That's going to get you to freedom. All right. Man, honestly, I wanted to add positions. I wanted to add positions if price would have retraced. Looking at the 15-minute time frame, I wanted to add positions, like maybe 2.5 more, maybe 5 lots more, but I only added like, I only had 2.5, so I wanted to add more, but like, whatever. So you can see here where the positions were. Please check XNG. Why the fuck would I check XNG USD? What is XNG USD? I'm not gonna check XNG USD. Yet to break the previous resistance. I would have thought that it respected resistance and it will be afraid to enter buy. Does that make sense? Yeah. So basically, this is where I entered buys. Look at this. So my target was, if you look at my analysis I posted on Twitter, my target was somewhere above this area for price to go up. And then if you look at this resistance on the 30-minute time frame, what would happen if we broke above this area? If we broke above 2038, you have all this clean range for price to move up, right? First, you got to make a plan. So I made a plan that if we move above 2038, I want to take a buy and we have clean range to the left hand side. Awesome, great plan. Now, next, we come towards, do we have any confirmations for that buy, right? Obviously, when this 30-minute candle formed, and let's say, for example, you're the kind of trader who was looking for this candle to close above 2038 or whatever. Actually, let me make this a little bit better to see, because I think not a lot of people have 4K monitors. Okay, all right, much better, right? So now you got to see, okay, do I have enough confirmation? So then what we did is we're like, okay, let's take a look on the 15-minute time frame, or if you're looking for the candle to close, then you would have entered right here as the candle started on the 30-minute. Now let's take a look on the 15-minute. Looking at the 15-minute time frame, we can see that, okay, this 15-minute candle started, but it closed at this resistance. Good, makes sense. Let's bring this up here a little bit more. So once this candle closed below resistance, you're like, okay, I can't take a buy. What I want to see is, I want to see if a candle is going to break the high of the previous candle with volume from London session. Can we move up? So then this candle started to break above the high, started to break above this resistance. We're like, okay, we're breaking above these highs. And as I've seen in the past, when there's volume in the market, let's say you got pre-London, London open, volume is going to continue pushing price up. And that's where I took the entry. Stops were below this candle, and we moved up and secured profits. And yeah, that's it. What's the difference between ECN and standard? ECN is lower spreads. Basically, that's what ECN is. You can see the spread here on gold. It's 1 pip spread. Spreads really don't matter, but now it's less than 1 pips or whatever, right? Standard, there's higher spreads, but there's no commission and there's no swap fees. Okay, what software do you use for streaming? XSplit. How do you approach every challenge you take? Really important for me. Every challenge I take, I just go head on with it. I've been doing jiu-jitsu now for about 2 months on and off. And yesterday, first time I did no gi. And it's so technical. So technical, you have no idea. That's something new for me, a new challenge. So that's what I'm trying to learn at this point. You forgot to mention that 1 hour closed above so that you can be carefree to enter in 15-minute. Yeah, that's true too. But honestly, I didn't look at the 1 hour time frame. I only looked at the 30-minute, and then I looked at the 15-minute for confirmations. Can you share when to wait for 30-minute candle to close? Yeah, there's in the database. I've literally broken that down in the database. Many are waiting for you to join the Robbins Cup. My friend, Robbins Cup is no competition. Robbins Cup is basically a brokerage, right? That's a brokerage. And they have these competitions to get business to their brokerage. You guys need to start to look at things from a higher level. Not from a level of, oh, I'm just a retail trader. Start to look at things from a a business perspective, right? What good is Robin Cup to the company that's running it? What good is it? You deposit 5,000, you deposit 10,000, 15,000. What are those? those 15,000 or 5,000. That's not your fee to be in the Robin's Cup. That's the deposit you're making towards the broker, right? You put a deposit down, you put a deposit and you start to trade that. So it's a way for them to get clients. It's a company, it's a brokerage. It's like I can say, okay, now we're going to have Raja Cup, and on Raja Cup you can only deposit on Dominion markets, right? And what they say is, Robinson, what they say is, hey, well, like you can only deposit on our broker, just deposit here and then you're in the cup. Why not say, hey guys, you have a list of all the brokers you can deposit, go deposit wherever the fuck you want, and then now you have a competition? No. There are so many platforms in this world. What's the reason to start C-Trade? Because C-Trader is the second biggest platform, and I think it's very intuitive. C-Trader, like, man, like there's so many advanced features of C-Trader that you're not going to find on MT5. And once you start to use it for a week and a half, you're like, okay, you know what, I'm going to stay on with it. Because, like, in reality, price moves the same everywhere. Do you not need to use their broker? You had an offer to the trader the next. Why not join? No, I didn't. They denied it. I even said, hey, like, you know what? Let me partner up with you guys with my platform. We have multiple platforms, and they said no. What amount did you start this account with? This account I started with 50,000. It's at 2,000 now. So I made 2,000 in 4 days. That's good. That's good. Looking at MetaCodes, they are excluding US client with C-Trader is not available for US clients. If you're in the US, you open C-Trader, it's going to give you a message saying that we noticed you are from the US, so please close the system. Unfortunately, like guys from the US, man, like things are so tough. ICT is best. Awesome. What amount did you start this? Okay. Are the commissions same? Yep. You can see right here. Commission per lot, $3.50. Just take a look at this panel, right? You got full screen. I'm going to show you this panel right here. If I can get it back now. Oh, right here. Right? Your new order goes here. Your spread is right over here. You have your depth of market right here, and then you got your calendar. Wow, look at that. See more? Okay. This calendar is directly from FX Street. Yeah. From FX Street. Job cuts, continue. ISM. FOMC press conference in 10 hours. Fed monetary policy in 10 hours. Interest rate decision in 10 hours. Now let's go towards symbols again. Then you got your symbol info, max lots you can trade, minimum lots you can trade. No. Thank Allah, my US visa got rejected. Yeah, so on a $50,000 account, I use a 5 lot. I use a 5 lot. So yeah, this is C-Trader, by the way, on Dominion Markets. So yeah, the new 1 hour candle is about to close. It's 1 p.m. here in Dubai, and I want to have some shawarma chicken platter. All right, awesome. Now look, the 1 hour candle has started. Let's take a look on the 1 hour candle. One Central. Awesome. So the 1 hour candle has started. Let's take a look on the 30-minute candle. Now what we're going to do is we're going to break down the candles, okay? Okay. So you guys ready? So I'm going to break down the candles one by one. Just joined. What about our MT5 simulator? Yeah, it's still going to work. MT5 simulator is still going to work. There's nothing happening. Okay, so we're going to start to break down the candles now. Now, what can you tell about this 30-minute candle, this big bullish 30-minute candle? What can you tell about this candle? This candle means there was a lot of volume in gold, right? Makes sense? Perfect. Now, look at the next 30-minute candle. What can you tell about this candle? This candle closed with no wick at the bottom, which means there was so much bullish volume, it didn't even come down to create a lower wick. But look at the way it formed. Look at the size of this wick. This wick is 13 pips. The body of the candle is 6 pips. What does this mean? If the wick is bigger than the body, what does that mean? That means that this is a rejection candle, right? It's a rejection candle. This does not mean you can take a sell. This does not even mean that if the candle has no wick at the bottom, that you can take a buy because the body is smaller, right? The body is small. So if this new candle starts to break the low of the previous 30-minute candle, then maybe this is going to be some sort of a retracement. But if you're already in buy, so what I'm going to do is now I'm going to move my stop loss, and I'm going to move the stop loss below the low of the previous 30-minute candle, right? Because if this candle's low gets broken, then we can end the trade still being in a little bit of a profit. Volume is bullshit. Learn ICT, buddy. Bhavan Sharma, आपके डैडी ICT ने मैच हर ट्रेड लूज किया है अभी वहां रॉबिन्स कप में. भवन शर्मा बात करते हो. ICT, learn. Go learn ICT. The thing about C Trader is that you can't even manipulate trades. From a broker's perspective, you can't manipulate trades. There's no dealing desk. There's nothing like that. No dealing desk, no manipulation, no recoats. So, anyway, Bhavan Sharma ICT के बाद जाएं आप धोती उतारें उनकी और बस फिर आप वो करें फिर अब आप आगे अब क्या करें हम क्या कर सकते हैं जी. What can we do for you? What in the hell can we do for you? What things you see while executing a trade? I see the main thing I look for when I execute the trade, the main thing I look for is, do we have clean range to the left-hand side? Clean range to the left-hand side is this to the left-hand side. Clean range. But it doesn't mean if you take a buy, it's going to go all the way. Of course, there's going to be some retracements, which is why every time I say that whenever price moves up and you got clean range to the left-hand side, start to secure profits little by little. What screen do you have? Now, that's a good question. What screen do I have? I have one of the best screens in the market. One of the best screens in the market I have. This is the 57-inch ultra-wide screen. This is one of the best in the market at this point. Okay. Okay, let's see here. Resistance should be lower. Sure. वकार ज़का को जानते हो? हाँ जी जानता हूँ मैं. वकार ज़का को मैं. To be honest, I'm missing your old ones. When you drive, Fortuner in Pakistan gives the daily advice on the way of gym. MashaAllah, I'm still watching your 3 old videos. No problem, we do that again. Can you explain what exactly is manipulation, how it's done, just for your knowledge? So basically, manipulation happens on the broker level, where the prices can be manipulated, the spreads can be manipulated, delays can be added, latency can be added to price feeds through the bridge. What happens with C Trader is that all this is stored on the C Trader terminals, on their own servers, so they don't allow for any manipulation. They don't allow for any, requotes where your trade is lagged, and some of those things are very complicated and technical for me to even understand. And if I can't understand, I'm not going to be able to properly explain it to you. So what we're going to do is, I think sometime next week, we're going to have Andrew on the live stream, and Andrew is the chief of growth of C Trader. So we're gonna have him on, and yeah, I think it's gonna be good. Okay. Yeah, it's the G9. It's the G9 57-inch. It's a G9 57-inch. Andrew, no, not Andrew Tate. Not Andrew Tate. Let's see here. G9 Samsung 57. Yeah, man, this monitor. Yeah, this is the monitor I have. This is absolutely amazing. This monitor right here. Samsung 57-inch Odyssey Neo G9 G95 NC. Pretty pricey, but man, I love tech. You know, and if I will go out of my way to get the best tech. I love tech. Technology is something where I spend most of my money on. We just built a $4,000 PC here, and I'm about to build another one, but with 4090 in it, 4090 RTX. You know, so there are a lot of different brands that you can get 4090s from. PNY. There's the Asus, and I think Asus is still the best one brand for VGA cards. But yeah, I'm buying at 2040. Oh, if you're buying gold at 2040, man, you are not doing it right. Buying gold at 2040 means that gold has moved 40 pips and you're expecting it to move more. No. Okay, so here's what's happening now, guys. Look at this. Look at this very carefully. Very carefully, okay? I'm not going to talk about this trade. I'm going to talk about variable support resistances and how to be fluid in the markets. Okay, that trade is done, right? How to be fluid in the market. You guys ready? Who's ready? I'm going to show you something that's going to change the way you see things. But I want 1,000 likes first on this channel. I want 1,000 likes. We are at 387. I'm going to do something that's going to change the way you see the market, because now this candle has broken the low. So what I'm about to do, it comes next. We have 380 likes. I want 1,000. You guys have to pay something. And the way you're going to pay it, you're going to pay it with likes. No one's going to tell you this. Not ICT is going to tell you this. No one's going to be able to explain this to you. Buddy, I've spent 8 years watching price action. I've spent 8 years deciphering candles. I don't have any indicators on my screen. No indicators, just candles. We had 539 likes. I'm going to eat my banana, and then by the time I'm finished with the banana, the likes should be 1,000, and then I'm going to break this down for you here. Let's take a look on the 15-minute. 15-minute is whatever. There's no retest on 15-minute, and I'm going to tell you why there's no retest on 15-minute, and I'm going to tell you why. 755, 250 more. I'm going to show you a hack. I'm going to show you a hack, and I'm going to tell you, basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this resistance away, and I'm going to move it to the most recent area, which is going to give you more clarity of where price is going to go. We're at 843, but I need 1,000 likes for that. You guys have to pay with likes. Trust me, this will help you more than it's going to hurt you. Let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen is still consolidating. Right, you can see that 72% traders are in shorts on pound yen from here. Just from one platform, man. Just from one platform, you can see that. What spread we running here? 1.3, 1.4. Okay, gold, we're running 0.9, less than a pip spread. We're at 900 likes. We need 100 more. Sorry, 70, 78 more likes, and then I'm going to show you something very important. I'm going to show you something that's going to be... Unbelievable. This is coming. Are you ground or stand up? I am both. Does any broker provide zero spread? No. If they do, they're basically doing some shady stuff in the back end. As a beginner, how many pairs should I focus on? You should focus on 2 pairs. Mainly, I would say maybe focus on just 1 pair. Do you know any Somali? No, I don't know any Somali. No Somali is what I know. 981, 982, 991, 991. I tracked whole January volume times with combination of price action setups, wrote it down, hoping February will work as per record. Yes, inshallah it will. 998, 2 more likes and I'm going to break this. Okay, perfect. We have 1,000 likes. So, okay, guys, look at this, right? So initially, this is the 30-minute time frame, and 30-minute zones are strong zones. We all know that, right? 30-minute zones are strong zones. Price came up, this candle broke above, and now we went up, and this was the resistance. Now, whenever you're looking at a chart, you're looking to see where's the most recent support or resistance, okay? Now, when you're looking at this chart, where's the most recent support? Where's the most recent support? The most recent support now is right here. You guys agree? This is the most recent support now. And where's the most recent resistance? Where is it? This one right here. This is the most recent resistance now. 2039 is the most recent resistance. 2036 is the most recent support. So since this candle has broken the low of the previous candle, now it's in a range, and this is a 19-20 pip range. Total, if we measure from resistance to support, it's a 30 pip range. Does this make sense? Right? So now, if we do break above, let's say 2040, we can continue to push up to fill this range 42 pips. Does this make sense to you guys now? It makes sense to me. I've been doing it for 7 years now, 8 years. So it makes perfect sense to me. Because here's the thing. You have to follow price action. You have to follow where price is making zones, breaking zones, the new zones being made. You have to really follow them to be able to understand what's happening next. It's very, very important. Most important thing that you will be able to do in the markets. If price went, would you have closed early? I guess we're never going to know. Then what about the retracement? How should we consider that? Well, if price comes down, and if we create some sort of a support around 2036.50, 2036.60, whatever, then you could say, okay, like, you know what, we're creating support, we're in this uptrend, then maybe we can continue to push up. But now, I mean, we're in the range now. So now you got to wait. Now the waiting starts, because look at the time here too, guys. Look at the time. It's an hour and 15 minutes after London Open. So there's normally no volume at this time. For the next hour, there's going to be no volume. There's going to be very, very low volume, to be honest. Low volume. Your experience and knowledge you share in market fluidity and Instagram is outstanding. Get addicted to your reels. Thank you. I appreciate it. Guys, listen, if you're not following me on Instagram, you are missing out on a lot of free knowledge and content. Go follow me. Raja Banks is my account. Raja Banks. Check Samsung Odyssey Arc 55-inch monitor. Yeah, that would have been way too big right here. This is perfect. I wanted 2 screens, so 57-inch. This one is good because this is like 2 32-inch monitors side by side. राजा भाई, आपका फेक इंस्टाग्राम आईडी मेरे दोस्त ने बनाई हुई है. दोस्त ने बनाई हुई है. 76 मालो उसकी ट्वीट पे पीछे. बोलो ओए ये क्या गंदी हरकतें कर रहे हो तुम I'm using price action for now more than 1 year. Only price action. It's like what Bruce Lee said. I'm fear to the person who practiced same kick for 1,000 times. That's correct. That is absolutely correct. How do we know about the strategy? How do you know about this strategy? I'm going to tell you. There's going to be a free simulation session on Saturday for everyone. There's going to be a simulation session on Saturday. I think it's going to be around 8 8:30 9:30. It's going to be around 7:30 a.m. Dubai time on Saturday. So there you can have access to that. Free simulation session Saturday, C Trader, 7:30 a.m. Dubai time. Right? Awesome. Very right. Now make this a little bit smaller. Paste this right here. Awesome. Yeah, you can withdraw USDT, no problem. All right. Perfect. Free simulation session. But this simulation session, it's going to be only for Dominion Market clients who are already using C Trader, because this is going to be on the C Trader simulator. So it just makes sense that you're using the platform to be able to be in this simulation session. Why bother to do a live stream when there's no volume at this time? Brother, we started the live stream when there was volume. Look, I made $277, around like almost $300. You know, so there was volume. We started this around London Open. UK time 3:30. Yeah. Free simulation session. This is going to be the link is going to be sent out to you on your emails. What's wrong with your spread? 4 pips. Are you stoned? Are you high at this time? Does someone give this guy some crack? Where do you see 4 pips spread? Where do you see 4 pips spread? This is 1.2, 1.3 pip spread. What is it with companies cutting jobs? I don't know. Hard times. I'm reporting that fake account when Instagram asked me to show a real person, and I'm popping up. This guy is selling course for $300 for 1 year. Yeah, I know. This guy is selling a course for $300 for 1 year. I would never sell a course for $300 for 1 year. It would be probably for 3,000, but not 300. Is demo account available on Dominion Markets? Yes, demo account is available on Dominion Markets. So all you got to do is you go to dominionmarkets.com. You go to, well, first you download the platform from C Trader right here. You register. We go to registration. I'm going to let this log in. All right, it's going to log in. You're going to go to platform. From platforms, you're going to go to C Trader. And from here, you will open up an account. An ECN account you will open. USD, leverage 500 or 100. I keep it at 100. And then you open the account. And once you open the account, there's a, and then you got to kind of like sign into your C Trader, which I'm going to send you the link here in the YouTube chat. My broker has 10 pip spread. Move over to Dominion. If your broker has a 10 pip spread, that's amazing, 10 pip spread. Imagine the amount of money they're making. Can we take a buy to retest the highs, or should we stay out since it's a new range coupled with low volume now? Yeah, so I guess you'll have to either wait for price to break above 2040 with a candle confirmation, and that candle confirmation would look like a bullish candle, or you could wait for price to come down, create support, and then continue to push up. Can we use C Trader for XNES? Only if XNES allows it. Are spreads and fees different? No, they're the same. They're the same. Any update about Dominion funding? Not at this point. Can you please show template for C Trader as you showed for MT5? A template? Yeah, so save template. Yeah, I guess from here. Oh, you can't show the template, but let me see what else can we do here. Let me see if I can help you guys with that. C should be over here. Spotware should be in program files. S. No, I'll try to get it for you. Had some questions. Is it better on DM or Slack or 0447 number? I don't know. Send it to DM on Slack. The Dominion Markets channel. Oof, super hungry right now. Super hungry, super duper hungry, starving. Which prop firm do you suggest? I don't know. Who are your competitors for your broker? Man, it's a big sea of competition. Your broker support Iraq? Yes. Can you explain to me why did you do half ROM yesterday push-ups? How can you do injustice to your side reps? Only your boobs got a workout. You know, the thing is, I'm 6'1". You know, I'm 6'1". So range of motion for me, being 6'1", like look at my hands. Look at the range of motion, right? It's a massive range of motion. Massive. You know? But if you're like 5'6" or 5'4" guy, you know, then it's easy for you. But like, yeah, for someone 6'1", anyone 6 foot and above, your range of motion is massive. Why is account flipping viewed negatively? Who views account flipping negatively? Oh, wow, look at this candle right here. What should your US clients do about the metacode problem? I don't know. Maybe if you're in the US, maybe go with the broker in the US. Hey, Raja, I'm planning to move to UAE. I have a bachelor's in business and finance. Do you think it's possible with that level to get a good job in UAE? To be honest, bro, I'm going to be very honest with you. If you have a Pakistani passport, but your name sounds like you're from India, or an Indian passport, you will not get a good paying job here in Dubai. If someone comes in with a, let's say, a Norwegian passport or a Dutch passport, UK passport, and they have the same qualifications as you, that person will get a better salary than you would get. That's what it is. So I think the best thing to do would be to see that, okay, how can you start to do a business here or something? But still, like, you know, you could still get a comfortable living here. So I would say maybe come down and start applying for jobs. Start applying for jobs here. Let's take a look at GJ here now. Okay, so pound yen is coming down towards support now, and we have 5 minutes left for the candle to close on the 30-minute. Look at that. We have 5 minutes left for the candle to close. Just right there. And if you do break below this area, the range is 38 pips. Afghanistan, yes. Sergi, heart white karne. Dominion markets, will that grandfather me in the US trader? No. If you're from the US, you got to move. Can you explain what is spread in detail? Spread is basically the fee for liquidity, and then a markup on spread is the fee for the broker, right? So, for example, we get raw feeds, right? We get raw feeds on ECN accounts. Raw feeds, look at the spread here, very variable. So this is what the liquidity spreads are, directly from liquidity. Looking at gold as well, direct from liquidity. On standard account, there's a markup on spreads, and that spread is a profit for the broker. There's a markup. Sometimes they have a 2 pip markup, 3 pip markup. Some brokerages have a 5 pip markup where you see 10 pip spreads and 15 pip spreads, something stupid like that. So those are profits for the brokerages, But how's the BJJ going? Really humbling. Oh, bro, like you have no idea. Like Brazilian jiu-jitsu, like BJJ, juju. I've been doing juju, and man, I get humbled. I get humbled every time I go there. Like, you have no idea. Oh, it's amazing though. You got to do it. It's amazing. All right, so this candle is about to close in 3 minutes. It's a very interesting candle because it's doing sort of like the same thing that was 15-minute did right over here. So we'll have to see how this candle is going to close, right? So now, remember we had a resistance we mapped up right over here. So now there's going to be no more resistance because this candle is about to close. So we'll have to wait and see how this candle basically closes now. In Lebanon, yes. Okay. मेरा दोस्त कह रहा है कि डोमिनियन का MQ कैंसिल हो गया, राजा स्कैम करने लगा है. हाँ, मैं उसकी माँ को स्कैम करने लगा हूँ, इसलिए वो इस तरह कह रही बातें. जो किधर से आते हैं यार ये लोग? ये जो लोग होते हैं ना, ये इनका होता है गरीबों वाला माइंडसेट, बेगैरतों वाला माइंडसेट, गरीबों वाला माइंडसेट होता है इनका. ये खुद अपनी जिंदगी में करते हैं स्कैम, उनको लगता है कि बाकी लोग भी करेंगे स्कैम. ये इनका एक गरीबों वाला माइंडसेट होता है, ये आप नहीं चेंज कर सकते. Do brokers or liquidity providers have power to move candlesticks? No, they don't. They don't have the power to move candlesticks. They have the power to kind of like, increase the spread and that can manipulate price a little bit, but the whole thing, no. Bro, can you explain how to keep transparent triangles as default? Actually, I'm trying to learn how to do that myself. But if on one pair you have it, then it's just going to be like, oh, okay, right here. Yeah, I'm still learning how to do that myself. Okie dokie. How's the BJJ going? I thought I liked ghee more, but I think I like no ghee more. How do you manage risk on gold? Just managing risk, How do you manage risk on gold? Just if price comes in negative, just kind of like close half. That's how you do it. Close half. Yeah. Is the simulation on free simulation on session Saturday C Trader 70? Yeah, it's going to be on. It's going to be on. It's not going to be on YouTube. It's going to be only for the clients for Dominion markets who are on C Trader. But this is actually going to be very, very educational for everyone. So even if you don't have any deposits, you can just sign up, open up an account in C Trader, and then you're going to get an email probably on Friday with the link to that. Okay. Are you planning on impulse on GJ? No. Let's take a look here. 1 hour time frame. Oh wow! See the issue with this is I'm using Dominion markets. The issue with this is that this 15-minute candle already moved 20 pips. So impulse entry would mean that it should move even more. Like this is a 72 pip range. How do you hire a team for Dominion Markets? Do you have a partner? We have a lot of good people working with us. See, now, I don't want to take another buy on gold unless there's some news. I don't think there's any news. So it's going to be tough. Right? Let's take a look on the 1 hour. 1 hour is still moving up. 15-minute is creating that support to move up. 30-minute has already moved 1, 2, 3. This is the fourth candle for the 30-minute candle to move up. So, like, anything to do with whenever there's, 3 candles or 4 candles that have already moved in a specific direction, it's better to wait for some sort of a retracement. It's better to wait for some sort of a retracement. Okay, so this time is right here. Oh yeah, now you can see all the news events over here. This is where you have your depth of market. A lot of sellers here. There are more sellers than buyers. Yeah, there are more sellers. Someone is selling at, someone has look, 20 lots, 50 lots. Anyway, too complicated. Can you elaborate more about execution point? Because facing an issue while executing my trade, like if I wait for 30-minute confirmation to break the high of a previous candle, it already at rejection, then maybe start to look at the 15-minute. Yeah, maybe start to look at the 15-minute then. That's going to be much better. No update with deposit of 300 to UPI. I don't know. Then they're working on it. Yeah, they're working on it. Do you allow Dominion in Bangladesh? Yes. Being FX trader with how much capital I should move to Dubai from Pakistan? That's totally up to you how you want to live. My monthly expenses are $6,000-$7,000. So that's totally up to you how you want to live. Why exercise regular is important. Oh my God, man, where do you retards come from? Why exercising regularly is important? If I need to explain to you why exercising regularly is important, then, man, shit. Bro, please leave the stream. Leave the stream and don't come back. Why exercising is important? Look at this. Oh! See that? This is why it's important to exercise every day. So you look good. Small brain men coming here in a live stream asking why exercising every day is important. It's very important. What do you mean? What else are you going to do? Are school fees expensive in UAE? Depends on where your kids go to school. My kids go to school. They're paying around 44 to 45K, 90,000 dirhams a year. Yeah. I like the sentiment indicator C Trader. Man, there's a lot of things you're going to like about C Trader. Trust me, we have almost 60,000 clients on Dominion Markets. Out of those 60,000, I think 25,000 have switched over to C Trader so far. It's the same execution, same price feeds, just better things that you can do. हसन ने बनाई है. हाँ जी, सेंड करें. पाकिस्तान में बड़े कॉन्टैक्ट्स हैं. मैं भी उसका बंदोबस्त कराता हूँ हसन का. या oh बेंचो. Look at GJ. Let's take a look at GJ. Yeah, nothing happening on GJ. Potential sells, but we need some sort of yeah, let me just potential sells below, I would say 187, but need consolidation first, or as the ICT cult would say, order block, you know. All right, let's make it a little bit bigger. Yeah. And also like 187 is a very strong level too, because look, it's an even number. So it's a very strong level. 60,000 clients. Yeah. Yeah. We're pretty big. I've been using CTrader app for 3 years. Love it. Awesome. Sir, honestly, how is it difficult to start a brokerage? I invested close to $400,000. Close to 400,000. But now it's way cheaper. So I got scammed. Now it's cheaper. And then obviously you gotta worry about the monthly running cost as well, with the staff, technology, stuff like that. So our running costs are around, I'd say, like 70 to 80,000 a month. Yeah, 70 to 80,000 a month. Something like that. That's basically what our running cost is. So yeah, and to be honest, I would have never thought that I'd be running something where the monthly costs are going to be more than what a fucking someone makes annually right after he graduates university. Like, yeah, the perspectives just changed so quick. ECN Plus supported CTrader, yes. ECN Plus is probably going to be. It's going to take a month. It's going to take a month. You know. When will your course be open? Very soon. I have to charge my MacBook over here. All right. Let's take a look at GJ. When are you going to take a trade? I already took a trade. I took a buy on gold. I already took a trade. It was a buy on gold. Yeah. The muscles won't help. Oh man, trust me. Muscles don't help in jiu-jitsu. It doesn't matter how strong you are. I learned that the first day. I get the top G vibes from you. Thank you. Can't see the right side like that on Mac. Oh yeah, on Mac, you don't see this right side on Mac. You only see this on Windows. But you know what you can do? What you can do is you can do this. You can go to Dominion Markets. You can go to Platform, CTrader, Web Terminal. You can go to the Web Terminal, and from here, you'll be able to see that. Right? So this is the Web Terminal. So I can, like, you know, do this. So the Web Terminal is exactly like your regular one, and then you can just, like, you know, remove these things over here. So I can take volume and templates and stuff like that. We can do as well. From here, we can do color option, set it to light. And then I want to remove the grid. There we go. And then also what I want to remove is I'm going to remove period separators. Yeah, there we go. This is pound yen now. And by the way, this is the web terminal. Look how sick this web terminal is. Oh, I got to log in here. Okay, let's log in over here. Okay, log in. It's going to log me in. It's logging in, and boom. Logged in successfully. Same account. And I'm going to take a look at, what was it? Gold. Gold right here. Oh, look, it also has my trades taken. The trades I took. Buy over here. Awesome. Yeah. Yeah, web terminal is pretty sick. Okay. Raja Chita Lageo, your English is now more better than Urdu. Bro, मेरी जो है ना उर्दू बहुत ज़बरदस्त है. मेरी उर्दू इतनी रमी उर्दू है मेरी कि आप सोच भी नहीं सकते. सुबह शाम मैं यहाँ लोगों को गालियाँ दे रहा होता हूँ मैं. Struggling with watch list on C Trader. How? Right? So this is your watch list. So all you got to do is, right? So what you can do is you can basically um, create new watch list, right? So what this is going to do is you click on create new watch list and you can call it, I'll call it YouTube Gulag, I'm going to hit OK. And this is my YouTube Gulag watch list. And now I can add the pairs I want to add. Let's say I want to add Euro JPY. I want to add GU. I want to add, where are these metals? Forex metals, right? I can add gold and I want to add GJ. Boom. Right? So I can close all this and I can just leave this open right here. And if I hit this, it's going to expand them where I can see the spreads, buy, sell, whatever, or I can view it in this manner right here. It's very easy, simple, So YouTube Gulag, and then this I can rename whatever. I can rename this as testing, right? So, yeah. Oh, wow, look at that. Coming down. Now, since it's coming down, we need to see some sort of a consolidation here first. Need to see some sort of a consolidation here first. Is there NASDAQ? All right. Bring up NASDAQ. And I want to bring up my template. 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute. Damn, who trades this? Yeah, GJ. I don't trust GJ. Yeah. Kosovo is not there. Let me fix it for you. Let us see. Can we get Kosovo back? Kosovo? Because now MetaTrader MetaQuotes is not here, so we can probably get Kosovo back. Korea. Ooh, we don't have Kosovo. I don't know. We'll check. We'll check and see what's happening, right? So anyway, taking a sell on pound yen, I don't think you should make that decision. I don't think. I want to see some sort of a consolidation and then a move down. I want to see some consolidation and then I want to see a move down. Let's take a look at gold over here. Yeah, gold is still stuck. Still stuck in the middle here. All right. 8 a.m. Eastern. 7:30. Yeah. Nothing now. I guess we'll need to see some sort of a retracement here first. How to log in with C-Trader with Dominion Market credential. Go watch there's a video. There's a video on YouTube on opening a C-Trader account. It's very simple. MagicKeys does work there. Yeah. If your son says, I want to be a trader, will you support him? Sure, I'll support him in anything he wants. Okay. How long has this live stream been on for? 1.5 hours now. Do you still have gold position open? No, I don't. I closed my positions on gold. Probably waiting for some sort of a retracement so we can continue to push back up again. GJ is dropping. That's true. But, I have my reservations for GJ. I have my reservations. I want to see some sort of some consolidation here, and then I want the drop to be at pre-New York. Yeah. I want that to be for pre-New York. Your favorite cricket player? I don't have a cricket player favorite. I don't watch that stuff. All right, let's take a look at this chart over here. This chart is gold chart. What I did well, no hesitation. Awesome. Good entry. Awesome. Frankfurt Open drove price bullish. Awesome. Bullish close streaming candle, close 80%. Amazing. Very, very, very well done. Yawn. Mr. Yawn, very, very well done. It's amazing. Great. Anyway, I'm going to be... What's the time? Oh, it's almost 2 p.m. over here. I'm going to be right back. All right. Gold, nothing. Didn't go up. Right? Because now the volume is decreasing a little bit. That's why we are not seeing a tick up on gold. Let's take a look at pound yen. Oh, see what I said about pound yen? Very difficult. No sells. You have to wait. That's crazy. Look what happened to pound yen over here. Why don't you trade NAS 500? NAS has more activity. This is NAS 500. This one. Yeah, GJ basically did a reverse gear, and GJ went boom. Look at that. Look where it rejected right here as well. Let's look on the 1 hour. Let's look on the 4 hour. Oh, wow, look at that. I think this is an opportunity for price to create a lower wick on pound yen on the 1 hour and then continue pushing up. That's what I feel like happening, like to continue to move up. For price to create this lower wick, break its own high, and then continue pushing up. Probably. Let's take a look at gold over here. Yeah. Now we have created that resistance on gold right there. Okay. All right. Yep, now we have this range, and I think the range is a 35 pip range, and now gold is setting up for pre-NY and NY Open. We're setting up for pre-NY and NY Open here. Raja went to take a shit. He will be back. No. No. हिंदी में कुछ देर बात करो राजा राजा बजा देगा बैंड बाजा. Look at GJ. Can you tell me a trade that helped me recover my loss? So you want us to tell you a trade so you can recover your loss. I would say maybe wait for, okay. For the trade to recover your loss, wait for break. Wait for break above 2040, right? That way you can recover your loss probably. For a trade to recover your loss, wait for break above 2040. Because if we can break above 2040, you got this 80 pip range for price to move. And I think price may move in that range or NYSE open or maybe pre-NY. You know, is Dominion safe? Very safe. H underscore Hassan underscore H. Oh. Not able to download Trader on my Mac. Please help. Bro, it's an app. It's an app you can download from the App Store. Oh, wow. Look at that. Join us. Simulation session with Dominion Markets. Oh, okay. I guess it's going to be a trading simulation on C Trader, 7:30 a.m. Dubai time, 3rd February 2024. CEO, main speaker. Awesome. See this shirt? My brother stole this shirt from me. This Armani shirt. He has it now. That's why you have brothers and sisters, man, so they can steal your shit. He even stole my Rolex too. No, sorry, I gave it to them. Okay. Is it okay to take buys on GJ and stop loss below current candle? Yeah, I would say so. Right here, because this is where because look, so this was a huge rejection. We got a body form. So this candle, if it breaks its own high, then I think it's okay to have a stop below this wick, wherever this wick is going to be, and then anticipate price to continue pushing bullish. All right. So we are still waiting. Okay. Okay, ठीक है जी. McNum Bhatt साहब. Message sent and message delivered. सुनते हैं, कर देंगे अब इससे हम, इससे जो भी करेंगे ना स्कैम, उसकी इससे करेंगे. सुनते हैं. Someone is sick in the office. Yes. Why did you stop trading huge lots? Because my account is a $52,000 account. What do you want me to do with this $52,000 account? You know, I can't drop 100 lots on it or 50 lots. Got to slowly, build it up. Slowly. Look at gold over here. Consolidation. This is a 35, 31, 35 pip range over here. So we'll have to wait here a little bit. Also, we got, take a look at this. So we got ADP coming up. I think that's why gold is now going to range between 2036 and 2039. There's going to be range here because we got ADP coming up. Later on, we got the interest rates. One good thing about C-Trade is you can see the decision here to the right-hand side. So that's something very good. And do you know Booming Bull? No, I don't know Booming Bull. I'm not familiar with Booming Bull. I'm sorry. Do you think prop firms, brokers will accept Canadian US clients if they use any sort of web interfaces? Pretty sure. There's one called DX Trade we're trying to implement for US clients. I lost my 3-month profit yesterday, 52K. Wow, what happened yesterday? Did you overtrade? You must have overtraded, right? Yeah, see that? Pound yen, this is what I was talking about on pound yen. This is exactly what I was talking about. Now it's broken its own high, so it should continue to push up. But I wouldn't take this because, it's in time of low volume as well. Also, the new 4-hour candle is starting as well. Walaikum salam, I'm doing very good. Why did you start with small account? Because that's what I do. Start with small account, I build it up, I withdraw it, have fun, and then I do it again. How come screen is not clear anymore? Because your resolution is probably low on YouTube. Because, buddy, look, buddy. Look at this. We are streaming in 4K. You can get 4K resolution here. We're streaming in 4K. Can we expect Dominion markets back in the US in future? I don't know. Is it true you're a distant cousin of Prince Charles? No. Can you make a video on your journey? Sure. There are a lot of podcasts you can see. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I've always noticed that when NFP is near and FOMC is coming up, the news always comes neutral. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Every news is very independent of what the news has done previously. So every news is extremely new. It's random, and it has no relation to what happened, the last time. Missing a lot of impulse entries. Is it normal? Though analysis works perfect. Yeah. So if you do miss a trade and you wanted to do an impulse entry, let's say, and you miss a trade, the best thing to do is to look at that price action, then ask yourself, what could you have done something differently? That's what you need to do. What could you have done something differently? Okay. All right. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna head off. Take care. Remember, remember this. On Saturday, we have a simulation session happening on Saturday, only for clients at Dominion Markets who have C Trader. So Saturday. Actually, I'm gonna be here for a little while. I'm just gonna go have some food, and then I'm gonna be here for a little while. So I'm gonna let this stream open in case something happens in the next 30 minutes. If we can start to break above 2040 or something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this open. All right, perfect, awesome. Here we are. Okay, no volume, now we have volume. So there's a question about swap fees, riba, interest. You only get charged swap fees when you hold the trade over 1 day, then you get charged swap fees. So if you're not holding a trade over 1 day, then it doesn't make sense to even think about that. So I generally don't think about that at all, to be honest. Okay. All right, we got some new banners over here now. Awesome. So I guess this is the end of the road for me. I have. What do you think about Don Wu? I don't think anything about Don Wu. He's a good kid. Let's see. Yeah, this new 30-minute candle started over here, 15-minute like this. Yeah, I don't know. We'll have to see. Clean trade is going to be over above 2040. But anyway, take care, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow, maybe. Yeah. We'll see you. Maybe we'll see you tomorrow. I have to go get I have to do some very important stuff. I just want to know if brokerage involves in interest behind the scenes. Shajil, bro, listen. For me, that's not even a valid question, because you need to understand how a broker works, how counterparties work, and how the flow of volume works from the aggregator to liquidity, and then you'll know the answer. But without knowing that information, your question isn't even valid. But honestly, you're just overthinking it. Overthinking it. All right. Gold, yeah, stuck. When I will be live for FOMC, 5 minutes before FOMC. But I'm going to be live on FOMC on Instagram Live. That's where I'm going to be live. But anyway, take care, everyone. We'll see you guys maybe tomorrow. If not tomorrow, 100% for NFP on Friday. Take care. Have fun. And don't overtrade so you don't lose more than you wanted to lose. Adios. Okay, YouTube. It's just me and you now. Me and you and the world. See you tomorrow.